Okay, so this video will demonstrate page 26. You have got three pieces there on this page, 1, 2, and 3. And now you're going to be playing with both hands together. You'll notice on page 26 there, and actually from now on, you're going to be reading the treble clef and the bass clef at the same time. So you're really reading two lines at once. The treble clef is for the right hand, the bass clef is for the left hand. What you may want to do before actually putting them together is just playing both hands separately, although here on this page you're never really playing two hands together at once. In other words, you're going to be playing the right hand and then the left hand, the right hand, left hand, one at a time, but you're reading both hands. So you notice at the beginning of number 1, the first note is a G, the second line G, and there's the 4 on that G. So here's the G here, and they want the fourth finger, right, the ring finger on the G. And again, it's a 5-finger position, so if you just put your fourth finger on the G and you put all the other fingers here, these are the notes that you're going to be reading: D, E, F, G, A. Those are the 5 notes that you're going to have in the right hand. Okay, and then in the left hand, see where the left hand starts in measure 3. There's the F on the 4th line up, and they want the 2 on the F. So here's the F here. Okay, so you're going to put your second finger on F, and again, if you put your second finger on F and you put all of your other fingers right in order there, so you have C, D, E, F, G. So that's the position: C, D, E, F, G in the left hand, and then D, E, F, G, A in the right hand. So those are the notes that you're going to be working with. Okay, so I'm going to count off. I'm going to play it. I'm going to count off 4. This is in 4 beats in a measure. Okay, and so here it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Second line. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. At the last note is a whole note. Okay, so that was number 1. Number 2, different position now, and this time the left hand is going to start first. That first note in the left hand is an F, the 4th line on F, and they want the 5. You see the 5 there in the left hand. So here's the F, and so you're going to put your 5, your pinky, on the F. And again, if you put all your fingers like this, F, G, A, B, C, those are the notes that you're going to be reading in the left hand. Now you notice the 4th note, there's the B, but it's got a flat before it, right? So instead of playing B, you're going to be playing B flat in its place. So F, G, A, B flat, C. Okay, so instead of playing the B, you're going to play a B flat. Now the thing with this piece is that the right hand and the left hand are going to be sharing really the middle C, because if you notice the right hand, when it starts on middle C, and there's the 1, the thumb. So you might be wondering, how am I going to play the 2 notes together? Well, actually, after you play the C with the left hand, you get off of it, and then you give your right hand the room to play it. So it's kind of like this, you know what I mean? You're not really playing it at the same time. Okay, but just remember the B flat. So here it is again. This is in 4 also. All right, and it's going to start with the left hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Right hand. 1, 2, 3. Back to the left hand. Second line. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand. 2, 3, remember when you play these pieces, once you start playing tick, 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 in other words, the time does not stop. You know, it has to keep going. So like for instance, if I started this again, this first part of the piece, you can't do something like 1, 2, and then wait. You see, because then the time is stopped. So you want to make sure that you go through the notes and make sure you know what you're going to play, because the thing is to try to always do it in time. So that's how you're going to do it. Okay, now number 3, the third one, is in 3. Okay, 3 beats to a measure. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Kind of like a waltz, you know, the dance. Waltz is a dance that's in 3. Now here the hands are going to be a little bit more spread out. You'll notice in the right hand there's an A. The second space up is A with the thumb. So here's the A here. Okay, and you're going to put your thumb on A. So if you put your thumb on A, okay, I'm just going to move this camera just a little bit over here so you can see all the notes, okay? So A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E. That's what you're doing. But you'll notice on the C, there's a sharp, okay? So instead of C, you're going to play C sharp in its place. So A, B, C sharp, and then you'll have D, and you'll see an E as well, okay? So these 5 notes, A, B, C sharp, D, E, that's going to be in the right hand, okay? And then in the left hand, you're all the way down here to the B. B, second line in the bass clef is a B. They want the 4th finger. So that's what you'll do. You put the 4th finger on B, and again, you see the C, there's a C sharp. Okay, so it's really A, B, C sharp, A, B, C sharp, D, E. Okay, so that's the left hand position, and A, B, C sharp, D, E. That's the right hand position. All right, the right hand will start first, and it's in 3 again. So here it is. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now you can play. When you play those, you can play it slower. I was playing it, you know, about like this. You can play it slower if you want to, as long as it's steady. You know, you can just play it maybe like 1, 2, 3, 1, to give yourself a little bit more time. But whatever it is, always make sure that it's steady. Okay? All right, so that's page 26. The next one will be page, let's see, I think it's going to be 30, 32, I think, or 33. So the next video will be page 33. All right, thanks.